In this tutorial, I will show you how to create clickable audio in a Canva presentation. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and select Presentation to open a new slide project. After the presentation editor opens, go to the Elements panel on the left side and scroll to the Audio section. You can choose a sound effect or music track from the Canva library. Click the audio track to add it to your slide. The audio will appear as a track at the bottom of the page, which normally plays automatically when the slide appears. If you want the audio to play only when clicked, you can create a clickable element such as a button, icon, or shape on the slide. Go to the Elements panel and add an icon or button that will act as the audio trigger. Place the icon or button where you want users to click during the presentation. Then position the audio track on the same slide so it matches the timing you want. When you present the slides, you can click the audio element to play the sound during your presentation. You can also add text like play audio or listen to guide your audience on where to click. That is how you create clickable audio in a Canva presentation.